Today, tuni Geneva da som gindak minute som asam September ni som ni lekhat Thursday ni ahia katripo Geneva benka nirchik hoide benkong explain uta koka nyang hangzo lekhe kha US apan Geneva UNA kalkhat ya 1 week ya Hong Kahiwa Tuesday tu kalsunga Tuesday akha panel discussion kha ken ke kha panel ka oma why panel le discussion YouTube internet akam tele ka bedain kong explain uta panel discussion penakha Miss Reem Al-Salem Amaka United Nations Special Rapporteur ahia Amato Hena Zuberi Amaka Director of Advocacy Justice for All Washington DC apan ahia le the moderator ukha Wasim Al-Salahi Amaka Lebanese apan hilele ya Geneva Baptist Christian Mia azi to moya ya ta khatani wa ta khat expect wa tu taken why panel discussion kha hicha plan sa kha hinchen UN kha hicha United Nations kamtuang kamapan ni Hong Kha hinchen hilele NGO ten kha side event kha kinai kha ki hinchen Wajaka World Evangelical Alliance ten kha status for an jakwa ya kyam pai thai kha hinchen why event why Mr. Thoba pen hong pai kha question dong dia hun kipya kya question to dong manlawen thitwam twam yen song chu ahia Koka here Namta represent North American Manipur Tribal Association represent Daniel Kahongwa. Here comes Sungwa Monday apan kha meeting tuam khaniwa. NGO tuam to kam tuam mission United Nations to meeting khaniwa ei gamlam thuka ka awareness ka we're trying to bring awareness and ite dinin thel hoita ga ite dana khamin thela unchen wajaka ka hi theda don no kha hi wa ka pai ta pau ka siam lo dan hong dai tamun lan ya kha hoita gen dai thang lan tu ni ham jin chai ham meeting khat hicha long dot tu long dot thena di wan meeting khat ka hi diwa mai kha hong attend thela chen attending kong chian ale ya Geneva pan mangkha kong kha mangkha vek kon mangkha